Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility and protecting your data. Check that your PC has a 64-bit processor, 4 GB RAM, 64 GB storage, TPM2. Zero and secure boot enabled. These are required. Once done, back up everything to an external drive or cloud and create a recovery image so you can roll back if needed. Then run Microsoft's PC Health Check or Open Settings right arrow update and Security right arrow Windows update to see the upgrade path. If eligible, choose to download the installer and prepare for the next step. Now you make the installer and decide upgrade versus clean install. Download the Media Creation Tool or ISO and plug in an 8 GB USB. Use the Media Creation Tool or Rufus to write the ISO and label the drive so you don't confuse it with other disks. Next, restart and enter BIOS or UEFI to set USB as the first boot device, enable Legacy or UEFI USB boot if needed, and save. Once the PC boots the USB, select Upgrade or Custom Install and follow on-screen prompts for partitions. You complete the final setup by following the out-of-box experience. Pick your region, keyboard, network, privacy choices, and sign in with a Microsoft account or create a local account. Make sure Windows Update runs immediately to fetch drivers and security patches, then check activation in Settings. Restore your backup files and reinstall apps. If the installer stops citing hardware requirements, reboot to UEFI and enable TPM2. Zero and secure boot or verify the correct boot mode. This resolves most compatibility blockages quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.